Hi everyone, I'm Tim.
I'm Nathan.
And we are. And today we are in Barcelona by the cathedral. If you can see that, it's tad sunny, so it might be a bit of a glare, but absolutely amazing here. And Nathan's going to open a couple of packs up in Spain, Barcelona. We're going to go first, nice and quick. Just watch my back as well. Let's see what Nathan can get. Pack of paldeaevolved to start off with. Hopefully you can hear us okay. Yep. Yep. Come on. Yep. Cool. Yep. Yep. And a Sablé regular holofoil. So nothing from that one. Pack of crownzenith next. See if we can get anything. Of course, it's not really about the pools, it's about where we are. This is the first time Nathan's been anywhere else in Europe, apart from the UK, obviously. As the same for Nathan's mummy. This is my second time to Spain. I've been to Madrid before. That was for a Yu-Gi-Oh tournament, but I did get to see a fair bit. So anyway, this is crownzenith. Oh, it's that Zoroark again. Hold it closer. You know we've had that a few times. There we are, focusing. Right. And a gumshoe. So well, there we go. A lovely bit of magic from crownzenith there. I hope you've enjoyed this opening. Don't forget to like, comment, check out all the friends of the channels, and of course subscribe to our channel. And once again, there is Barcelona Cathedral. One of the cathedrals, there are more. Enjoy your day. Peace.